TD First Class Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're considering a new credit card in 2025 and have your eye on the TD First Class Credit Card, you're probably wondering whether it's truly worth it or if you should skip it entirely. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know: the benefits, rewards, fees, perks, and potential downsides. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear picture of whether this card fits your lifestyle and financial goals. Let's start with the basics. The TD First Class Credit Card is a premium card offered by TD Bank, targeting customers who want higher rewards and travel-focused perks. It's designed for people who spend regularly on everyday purchases, but also travel frequently and want to make the most of their points and benefits. While many cards on the market promise rewards, the key is understanding exactly how TD First Class stands out or where it falls short. One of the first things people notice about the TD First Class Credit Card is the reward structure. You earn points on purchases that can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, gift cards, or even statement credits. Specifically, the card offers a competitive rate on everyday spending, including groceries, dining, and gas. Most people get this wrong by assuming all points are equal. Here's the truth: points are worth more when redeemed for travel through TD's travel portal versus cashback. For example, if you spend $1,000 on groceries in a month, you could earn roughly 1,000 points, but redeeming those points for flights or hotel stays could yield significantly higher value than redeeming for a statement credit. Next, let's talk about sign-up bonuses. As of 2025, TD frequently offers a welcome bonus for new cardholders who spend a certain amount in the first 3 months. For instance, you might earn 20,000 points after spending $1,500. This bonus alone can cover several flights or hotel nights if redeemed wisely. However, it's crucial to spend responsibly to earn the bonus. Overspending just to get points defeats the purpose and can lead to high-interest debt. The TD First Class Credit Card also comes with travel perks. Cardholders enjoy benefits like travel insurance, rental car coverage, and no foreign transaction fees, an attractive feature if you travel internationally. Most people overlook travel insurance embedded in credit cards, but it can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars if your trip is canceled, delayed, or if luggage is lost. Additionally, some users don't realize that having rental car insurance through your credit card can eliminate the need to purchase coverage from rental agencies, which is often overpriced. Another notable perk is access to airport lounges and concierge services. While not as extensive as some ultra-premium cards, TD First Class cardholders may receive discounted access or special offers for certain lounges. Concierge services can help with booking restaurants, travel arrangements, or event tickets, which can be a time saver for busy travelers. Let's break down the fees. The annual fee for the TD First Class Credit Card is higher than basic cards, which can be a turnoff for some people. But it's important to weigh this fee against the rewards and perks. For instance, if your travel benefits save you $200 annually, and you earn $500 worth of points through normal spending, the net gain easily outweighs the annual fee. However, if you rarely travel or carry a balance, the fee may not be justified. Most people get this wrong. They focus only on the fee and ignore the potential value the card can deliver when used strategically. Interest rates are another consideration. TD First Class has a standard variable APR for purchases, which is higher than some entry-level cards. The key is to pay your balance in full each month. Carrying a balance could quickly negate any rewards earned. A common mistake is assuming high rewards offset high interest charges. This is rarely true. For example, earning $50 in rewards but paying $150 in interest in the same month is a net loss. Therefore, this card is best suited for people who consistently pay off their balance. Redemption options deserve a closer look. TD points can be redeemed through the TD Rewards portal for flights, hotels, gift cards, and more. Travel redemption usually offers the best value, especially if you book directly through TD's portal rather than converting points to cash or statement credits. Some users may find the portal slightly less flexible than other travel portals, but for most casual travelers, it provides good options. Remember, points can also be transferred to partner loyalty programs, but the transfer rates may not always be 1:1, so planning ahead is crucial. Let's also consider the card's purchase protections. TD First Class offers extended warranty, purchase protection, and return protection on eligible items. This is a subtle but significant benefit. For example, if you buy a new laptop and it breaks within 90 days, Purchase protection could reimburse you for the repair or replacement. Extended warranties can also add an extra year to the manufacturer's warranty. Most people don't realize how much these protections are worth, sometimes hundreds of dollars per purchase. Another aspect to highlight is customer support. TD offers dedicated support for first-class cardholders, which can be a relief if issues arise with billing, lost cards, or travel emergencies. Quick, reliable customer support is underrated and can make a significant difference if you travel frequently or use your card for large purchases. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the pro side, TD First Class offers a strong rewards rate, travel perks, insurance protections, and the potential for a generous sign-up bonus. It's a solid option for frequent travelers and people who can leverage points effectively. On the con side, the annual fee and higher APRA make it less appealing for those who carry balances or don't travel often. Additionally, some users might find the rewards portal less flexible than competitors like Chase or American Express travel programs. So, is the TD First Class credit card worth it in 2025? The answer depends on your spending habits and financial discipline. If you pay your balance in full, travel regularly, and maximize rewards, this card can offer excellent value, potentially hundreds of dollars or more each year. But if you rarely travel, carry a balance, or are sensitive to annual fees, other cards with lower costs might make more sense. In conclusion, the TD First Class credit card in 2025 is a premium option aimed at travelers and reward seekers. Its points structure, travel perks, purchase protections, and sign-up bonuses make it appealing, but the annual fee and interest rate require careful consideration. Most people get this wrong by looking only at the rewards headline. The real value comes from strategic usage and leveraging travel benefits. If used correctly, it's worth it. If not, it's better to leave it. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your personal financial habits, lifestyle, and how much you value travel perks. Take a careful look at your spending patterns, consider potential rewards and settings, and make a choice that aligns with your goals. With the right approach, the TD First Class credit card can be a powerful tool in your wallet in 2025.